Today, I will show you how you can see who follows you on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon. Tap on My Public Profile. You can see the number of followers you currently have. However, you cannot see the names of your followers here. To see who these followers are, you just need to go back to your profile. Scroll down and tap on My Friends. On this page, you can see who follows you. These are the only users that you have followed back. To see who has followed you but you haven't followed back yet, tap on the down arrow to return to your profile. Scroll down and tap on Add Friends. Here, you'll be able to see the other people who have added you but you haven't accepted yet. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.